Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hima's World. Today in this video I am going to tell you about APJ Abdul Kalam's biography. So let's go to our video. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's whole life journey is an inspiration for all. APJ Abdul Kalam's full name is Awul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His father name is Jainuddin Marakayar, was a boat owner, and his mother name is Ashiyama, was a homemaker. He came from financially poor background and he used to distribute newspapers to support his family's income. He completed his schooling in Rameshwaram Elementary School. In 1954, he graduated in physics from St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli. In 1955, he joined Madras Institute of Technology and started aerospace engineering. Dr. Kalam's dream was to become a fighter pilot, but he was ranked 9th, while the IAF offered only 8 slots. He was very kind-hearted person. His love for children always emitted. As soon as the program got over, he would cross the barricades to interact freely with children. He speaks and motivates them to take challenges. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday, 15th October, is celebrated as World Students' Day. From 1963 to 80, his career was spent in space research. With the founding of India's space program by Vikram Sarabhai under the Indian Committee for Space Research, which became ISRO. Satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 is launched by Kalam. After this success, he shifted to Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, had the missile project and was made the director of Defense Meteorological Research Laboratory DMRL in Hyderabad 1982. His effort leads to the launch of surface-to-surface missile named Prithvi, surface-to-air missile named Trisul and Akash, and the third generation missile named Nag. The launch of Prithvi missile on 25th Feb 1988 was a big historical event for our country. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is also known as Missile Man of India. The awards of Abdul Kalam are Padma Bhushan in the year 1981, Padma Vibhushan in the year 1990, and Bharat Ratna in the year 1997. In 2002, he became President of India. By assuming his duties, he became the Supreme Commander of Army, Navy, and Air Force. By his efforts, he earned the title of People's President. Dr. Kalam, a human being from heart and soul. People's President with a due to Rashtrapati Bhavan on 25th July 2007. But this was not the end of his career. He continuously worked to make India a world power. To achieve this, he started teaching. As a visiting professor to IIMs, IITs, and some other institutions, he started mentoring young generations to fulfill his mission. He also served as a chancellor of the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. His one of the most profound words are, "When I am dead, don't declare a holiday. Instead, work the extra." He has also authored many books like Wings of Fire, India 2020, A Vision for New Millennium, My Journey, Ignited Minds, etc. During his lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, on 27th July 2015, he suddenly collapsed and declared he was dead due to massive cardiac arrest. His journey started from Rameshwaram and reached to Rashtrapati Bhavan with the name and which continue till he took his last breath. Today, Dr. Kalam is not with us, but his teachings are leading us to achieve new milestones in the field of science and technology and vital roles of life. Thank you.